Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then click on this send button from these options. Now, from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to find XRP and then tap on it. You can also try to find XRP by searching on this by typing on this search bar and then searching for XRP. Once you find it, tap on it. Then on the screen, you just have to paste the wallet address from your Phantom wallet. So open up your Phantom wallet and then click on receive. After that, you just have to select the network that you want to use to receive your XRP. I'm going to use Ethereum, so I will just click on it. And then you just have to click on this wallet address and your wallet address will be copied. Now you just have to open up your Coinbase app again and then paste the wallet address in this area. You can leave this XRP tag blank and then click on continue. This might show you this warning. Click on yes, I am sure. And lastly, you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer. But first, I recommend you to transfer small amount instead of transferring full amount. So you can be sure that you are sending the amount to your correct address. So if you don't receive the XRP on your Phantom wallet, that's mean that your Phantom wallet doesn't support XRP. First, you have to try to send some small amount. So just enter any small amount and then click on preview. And then this will ask you to double check everything, make sure your wallet address, network and amount is correct, and be sure to send some small amount before transferring the full amount, and then click on send now. And once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from your Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.